Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to register a trademark step by step. First, it's crucial to understand what a trademark protects: your brand's name, logo, or slogan. Before anything else, conduct a comprehensive search to confirm your desired mark isn't already in use. This initial step saves significant time and effort. Next, accurately identify the specific class or classes of goods or services your trademark will cover. There are 45 international classes, so choose carefully to ensure proper protection for your business. Once your search is complete, it's time to prepare your application. You'll need to gather all essential information about your mark, including its design and how it's used in commerce. Next, create a clear drawing or specimen of your trademark, ensuring it accurately represents what you intend to protect. Finally, determine your filing basis, such as use in commerce or intent to use. This decision impacts the required documentation and timeline for your registration process. With your application prepared, the next step is filing. You'll submit your application electronically through the official government portal. Be ready to pay the required filing fees, which are typically around $250 per class of goods or services. For example, if you apply for 2 classes, the fee would be approximately $500. Double-check every detail before hitting submit. Even small errors can cause significant delays or rejections in the process. After filing, your application enters the examination phase. An examiner will review it for compliance with all legal requirements. You might receive an office action requesting more information or addressing issues. Respond promptly, usually within 6 months. Once approved, your trademark will be published. To maintain your registration, you must file declarations of continued use every 5 to 6 years, and then again between 9 and 10 years, ensuring your protection remains active.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.